Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is a new communication reading for the month of June. Soul connections in separation. We will see your person's energy towards you. What can you expect? Okay. This person could have rejected you in the past because of their work and married someone else or chose someone else. Love was there in this situation, but I feel someone was very focused on their growth and someone was very self-centered. Okay, so let's see for the month of June, spirit, for the people who are going to hear this message, their person's energy towards them, please, for the month of June, please, spirit. Something has ended here, but something is going to restart. I have a rebirth card here with the Ace of Pentacles. This person wants to change the situation and wants to start something new with you. This person wants to talk to you. This person feels that when you talk without filter. You have no control over your words. Like you don't use filter, you just say it as you want to say it. Could be very harsh energy, but this person feels that you are stalking them. This person also feels that you have you don't have very nice things to say to them, but you want to communicate with them. This person also feels, but you are holding back, yet you are waiting for them, and this person feels that you are waiting for a commitment from this person. You are waiting for communication as well, maybe communication about this commitment. But this person could, for some of you I'm getting, you could be married. So this person feels that you are already married, but you still stalk them, you still wait for them, yet you are holding back. You have that passion for them, according to this person. They think you are walking away, and this person wants to walk away from that toxicity. If you guys are in separation since years, yet you guys feel each other's energy. Now here I have to use this word, twin flames or very deep soulmate connection, past life relationship. You still feel their energy even when you guys are in separation. Then this person just want to walk away, but this person also feels that this was their destiny to meet you, to have you in their life, but this person just want to get rid of your energy and they are unable to do it. They still cannot walk away from you completely. Like physically they are not in your life, but energetically you are still there. This person wants to turn their back with this from this connection and acting very defensive. This person don't want to take any action towards you, and this person just want to fight for them. Like they are very protective of their heart. They are resisting this connection because of their fear. They want to talk to you, they want to communicate with you, but this person is afraid. For some of you, some of you, could be for someone specific I'm getting, this person is afraid to have a child with you. For others of you I'm getting, this person is afraid to communicate with you. They are very uncertain, but in the intentions this person wants to have a new start with you. This person like to have sex with you, and this person is very restless, could be going through some sexual tension. But I'm getting here that this person wants to talk to you, and all this is because of passion. I'm not seeing emotions here. I have to say that this is just passion. This is the sexual pull this person is feeling towards you, and this is making them restless. This person could be very cruel as well, like very mean person too. Or they are just going through that phase where they feel that they cannot take it anymore. They want you and they need you in their life physically. This person is going to come back towards you. Expect some passion here, but this will be up to you whether to accept this person just because you love them, or move on in your life and put your self-esteem first. This person has betrayed you in the past, and this person is already married for some of you. For some of you I'm getting, this person is already married and you will be the third party in this person's life. So this is up to you whether to accept them or not. This person will come back to you definitely. You are going to feel very satisfied, and you guys are going to spend some time. I am getting for some of you that you are going to take bath together when this person will come back towards you. So yes, could be a live-in relationship or anything, but this person will already, like, this person is already married. I'm getting for some of you, not for all. For others of you, I'm getting that this person was your husband or someone from your past, your ex, like. So this is just about pleasure, and you are going to have a great time with this person. You are going to have some beautiful days with this person. I'm getting like you are gonna live with that person like he's your husband or wife, something like that. And I'm seeing a home here. I'm seeing like home life. Expect passion. I'm seeing a lot of passion here, and this is the reason this person is coming back towards you. You are going to have a success with this person. You are going to have a victory in this relationship, but there are games. Someone don't want to get defeated, so this person will do anything to have a success with you. This person will do anything to emotionally manipulate you to have a sex with you, because that's what they want. They want to be with you. They cannot handle that sexual pull towards you. This person want you, and that's it. So you are going to have their attention, and something related to ego here. I'm still loyal to you. 3 to 5 cards for if this person is in a third party situation. They are going to say that their heart still belongs to you. As I said this, I love another. I want to come back, but I have to swallow my pride for taking that first step towards you. You are too good for me. You are inseparable. I told you this person feels your energy even if they don't want to. You are too good for them because, and I love another here. I'm getting that this person is in a third party situation, like they are already committed or married to someone else, so they know that you deserve better. They want to come back, but their pride comes in a way. I have 5 of swords here, but eventually we have 6 of wands here in outcome, so expect success. I'm not the one for you. I told you this person is very, like, they know they are not good for you because they are already married or in some another commitment, or they have lied to you or betrayed you in the past. So this person knows that, this person has that guilt, this person has that awareness. But the thing is, this person is going to come back towards you, and eventually you guys are going to have that great time. You're going to have their attention. That's it. So this was your reading for the month of June, collective. I really hope it helped you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye and take care.